Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the ZInspector 3 app is and how it's positioned. According to its official App Store listing, ZInspector 3 is a property inspection app designed for property managers, real estate agents, and maintenance professionals. It is built to document property conditions, track inspections, and organize leasing and maintenance activity through a mobile interface. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to capture and tag photos during inspections, creating a detailed visual record of a property. It also organizes inspections room by room, helping users document property conditions in a structured way. According to the platform's official site, these inspections can generate professional reports automatically, which can be shared with teams or clients. The app includes a timeline feature that builds a visual history of a property over time, including leasing, maintenance, and inspection activity. There are tools for comparing move-in and move-out conditions, which may help identify changes or potential disputes. Official descriptions also mention cloud storage and background uploads, allowing data to sync securely across devices. The platform supports collaboration features, where teams can access inspection data, share reports, and communicate across devices. Some features include 360-degree image support and customizable inspection templates, although usage may depend on setup and compatible hardware. The app is typically used within property management workflows, meaning full functionality may require account setup and integration with business systems. This app may be useful for professionals who need to document property conditions and manage inspection reports digitally. For users interested in property inspections, reporting, and visual documentation tools, this could be an option. However, effectiveness depends on how the app is configured and used within a workflow, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.